Hazim bought a townhouse for 383,300 ringgit. He made a 10% down payment and the balance was borrowed from a bank which charged interest of 3.85%, compounded monthly for 25 years. A. Find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. First, we need to find the down payment. So DP equals to 10 divided by 100 times with 383,300. So the answer will be 38,330 ringgit. For the balance, we use B equals to CP minus DP. So 383,300 minus with 38,330, which equals to 344,970 ringgit. To find the total interest charge, we use I equals to P times with N plus 1 times with R divided by 2M. So 344,970 times with 300 plus 1 times with 0.0385 divided by 2 times 12. The answer for the total interest charge will be 166,570 ringgit 20 cents. To find the monthly payment, we use R equals to B plus I divided by N. So 344,970 plus 166,570 and 20 cents divided by 25 times 12. The final answer for monthly payment will be 1,705 ringgit 13 cents. B. If Hazim failed to pay for the first 4 payments, find the amount should he pay on 5th payment to settle all the outstanding areas. For this question, we use S equals to R times with 1 plus K divided by M square MT minus 1 divided by K divided by M. So 1,705.13 times with 1 plus 0.0385 divided by 12 square 5 minus 1 divided by 0.0385 divided by 12. The final answer will be 4,595,586 ringgit 95 cents. C. Calculate the outstanding balance if Hazim decides to settle his loan 2 years earlier. For this question, we use A equals to R times with 1 minus 1 plus K divided by M square negative MT divided by K divided by M. So 1,705.13 times with 1 minus 1 plus 0.0385 divided by 12 square negative 12 and 7 divided by 0.0385 divided by 12. The final answer will be 39,326 ringgit and 60 cents.
An invoice date 1 May 2023 for RM 5,750 ringgit inclusive of RM 200 ringgit. Transportation charge is paid on 21 May 2023. If the trade discount is 20% and the cash discount term are 5 per 10, 4 per 30 and per 60, find question A, the trade discount offer. Question B, the cash discount if entitled. Question C, the amount paid. The formula is trade discount equal list price multiplied trade discount rate. So RM 5,750 ringgit minus RM 300 ringgit to include the transportation cost, then multiply 0.2 and the answer is RM 1,086 ringgit. The formula is cash discount equal list price minus other costs and multiply 1 minus trade discount rate multiply cash discount rate. So RM 5,750 ringgit minus RM 300 ringgit multiply 1 minus 0.2 multiply 0.04 and the answer is RM 174 ringgit. To find amount paid, The formula is list price multiply 1 minus trade discount rate multiply 1 minus cash discount rate at other costs. So Rn 5,750 ringgit multiply 1 minus 0.2 multiply 1 minus 0.04 at transportation Rm 300 ringgit. And the answer is Rm 4,760 ringgit.
5 years ago, Madam Christina had invested 300 ringgit Malaysia at the end of every month into an account that offered 4% interest compound monthly. If beginning of this year, she took out 200 ringgit Malaysia at the end of every month from the account, determine the length of time in years. Can she do that? Firstly, we had to calculate future value of annuity. The formula is S stands for future value equal to R stands for amount of periodic payment multiply opening bracket for annuity 1 plus K over M. K stands for interest rate and M stands for number of compound. Close the bracket and source of power M multiply T. T stands for years, then deduct the answer with 1 and divided K over M. So, S equal 300 multiply open bracket 1 plus 0044 over 12 close bracket and source of power 12 multiply 5 then deducted the answer with 1 and divided 0.04 over 12. The answer is 19,889.69 ringgit Malaysia. Furthermore, 19,889.69 ringgit Malaysia equal 200 multiply open bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 12 source of power 12 multiply T. Then deducted the answer with 1 and divided 0.04 over 12. Then move 200 to the front, so it will become 19,889.69 over 200 equal to open bracket 1 plus 004 over 12 close bracket and source of power 12 multiply T. The answer should be 99.45 equal to open bracket 1.0033 close bracket source of power 12 multiply T. Then minus with 1 and divided to 0.003. Then move 0.003 to the front and it will be 99.45 multiply 0.003 equal to 1.0033 source of power 12 multiply T minus 1. Then move negative 1 to the front, so it will be 0.29835 plus 1 equal to 1.0033 source of power 12 multiply T. Then the answer should be 1.29835 equal 1.003 source of power 12 multiply T. Then use the formula of log. Log of 1.29835 over log of 1.0033 equal to 12 multiply T. Then 79.25 over 12 equal to T. T equal 6.
Part B, question 2. Hijau Bumi Sendirian Berhad received an invoice date 25 April 2023 for the purchase of 30 units of tablets. The transportation cost was 750 ringgit and the net price after trade discount of 10% and 8% was 55,500 ringgit. And the cash discount terms were 5/10, 2/20 and N/30. A. To calculate the single discount rate equivalent to the given trade discount rates, we must use formula SDE. SDE equal to 1 minus times 1 minus discount rate. So 1 minus times 1 minus 0.10 times 1 minus 0.08, and the answer is 0.172, but we have to multiply with 100. So the final answer is 17.2%. B. To find list price, we use the net price formula, which is net price equal to list price times 1 minus trade discount rate. Since we have two discount rate, we have to multiply it twice. The net price was given, so we put it into the formula. 55,500 equal to list price times 1 minus 0.10 and times 1 minus 0.08. Then we put list price as the subject. So list price equal to 55,500 divided by 0.828. So the answer is 67,028 ringgit 99 cents. C. The last date to receive 2% cash discount is 20 days after the invoice date. So 25 April 2023 must plus 20 days. So the answer is 15 May 2023. Question D. To find the amount paid if full payment was made on 4th May 2023, we must count how much days the payment was made after the invoice date. So 25 April minus 4th May 2023, and the answer is 9 days. Since the payment was made within 10 days after the invoice date, we use 5% as the cash discount rate. So, Hijau Bumi Sendirian Berhad title to 5% cash discount together with 10% and 8% trade discount rate. To calculate the full payment, we use formula payment equal to list price times 1 minus trade discount rate times 1 minus cash discount rate plus other costs. So 67,028 ringgit 99 cents times 1 minus 0.10 times 1 minus 0.08 times 1 minus 0.05 plus transportation, which is 750 ringgit. So the answer is 53,000 ringgit and 475 ringgit.